Hello and welcome to How Logical. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, we're about to see what type of settings can we change from our Peacock TV phone app. There's not a lot of things you can change in settings from your Peacock TV, but let's see what we can change. First of all, open your Peacock TV, go to your profile, go to settings, and then there are some things which you can read and change. First of all comes the privacy policy. You can go ahead and click on privacy policy to read the privacy policy which is presented by Peacock TV. Then there are terms of condition and terms of use. There are your privacy choice. You can confirm your choice through this section. There are some add choices which we can read and change. The CA notice which is also there and which you can open and scroll down to read it. Likewise, there are some licenses provided by Peacock TV and there's a help section which gives you these types of helps. Finally, there is the profile which you can edit, which is also counted as settings. You can go to the pen mark over there, click it, and you can edit your profile from here. You can see your personal data and your profile. You can manage your profile pin and autoplay reviews and etc. So this is how you change your settings in Peacock TV from your mobile device. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you have any sorts of confusions, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.